All right, it's CAM Packaging Systems here. We're doing an FAT on a pre-made bagging solution, which is very typical for us. I will walk you through the line, show you every piece, and then we'll show you it running. So we start with a large vibration hopper here at the back, filled with all the nice black and red gummies. We go into, in this circumstance, a bucket conveyor, 1.6 liter buckets that feed up into our scale, which is a 14 head dimpled finish multi-head wear. It's held up on our stainless steel platform. We then have a divert system for any rejected items, clumps, groups of items together, when we self-calibrate the scale throughout, and then of course end of day production run out. All the product that lands here can be reused back into the system, as it does stay hygienically pleasing. We then have our 8-station rotary bagger. This is a very popular machine for us, just because of the business and stand-up pouches. So we load our bags here on a horizontal conveyor. We have 8 stations. Number 1 is pickup. In between number 1 and number 2, right here is an inkjet system. So the customer will put on their inkjet, continuous inkjet system, to spray the best before dates on every package as it passes by. Station number 2 is zipper opening. So in here, as you'll see when it runs, we use these fingers and suction cup to positively open up the zipper on the bags. Station 3 currently not in use, but it also does bag opening. We can also do a flush system here if we want to do nitrogen. Station number 4 is bottom opening for a stand-up pouch. We have confirmation of this with vacuum. When we have positive opening of the package itself, we then take over to station number 5, and station number 5 is our filling system, where the product is dispensed in. Underneath station number 5, and functions at the same time, is our product settling device. It's just a little spanker, and you'll see it run. It just taps the bottom of the bag to allow it to settle. Station 6 is gas flush, and we pull the seal closed. In station number 7, we heat seal the package. Number 8 is cold seal. We then exit out of the system and we go on to our 45-degree conveyor. This particular conveyor has an empty bag blow off right here due to the X-ray that is right here. So from here, 45 degree into a Loma X-ray, through the X-ray with its own reject system here for any foreign objects that might be found inside the package. And we go into the CAM check wear. Overs and unders are detected and rejected, and we have a turntable here for collection of the items. What I'm going to show you now is I'll demonstrate the over-under scenario on the check wear, and we will demonstrate the X-ray machine as well. So this is a underweight. Our target is 400. So as this one gets rejected. Overweight now, same thing. So we're within the tolerances. These are all preset on the system. You can make them as tight or as wide as you wish. Now with the X-ray over here, we're just waiting for it to power up. And here we go. We're going to throw a bag in here which does have a foreign object in it, and you'll see it come up on the screen. There it is there. And then it gets rejected into the system over here. All right, so that's how those work, and now we will start the machine up and we'll walk through. Here we go. So we're currently set up about 30 packages per minute, 400 grams of product. So again, once the scale starts to empty out, that hopper will start up and refill. So it's automatically tied into our scale. This is a 14 head scale. We have 2 sensors. We have a sensor here for level of product. Once it gets below that, once that gets lower, which means finished packages going in. Or we have a camera here that you can see from the screen down below. So the way the scale works is it looks for its best combination towards its target and release those buckets in time together to go down into the system. So as this gets a little bit lower here, you'll see the refill system turn on. So there we go, the hopper's moving. Refills the bucket system right there. And then gets delivered up here. Once it hits its capacity again, it'll shut down and stop refilling. This allows us to meter the level of product up here so that we can get consistent throughput and weights. Once it hits that target, it obviously stops, as it just did. So, station number 1 is pickup. Station number 2 right there, all the guards are bypassed right now. This is where we would spray the ink for the best before date on the package itself. Now we can see the zipper opening device right here, opening up the bags. Bottom opening, we have the spanker and the filling system working in conjunction together. Gas flush nozzle. Heat seal, which is turned off right now so we can reuse the bags. What I'll do is I will turn on the seal. Sealing. As I hit that, now you'll see this seal dodge. And all the packaging is sealed. This is looking for foreign objects, which it obviously shouldn't find. Got the pass and fails, and the finished bags down here. And these are all sealed. So Water Bridge is the products that are used on this system. So they do wine gums, they do berries, they do licorice, all sorts. So this is their 4th machine from us. We're very grateful for this customer. And yeah, everything's been a great success. And like I said, this is a typical system from CAM. We do everything here in Canada, from the front to the back. Loma is not ours, I apologize. That is manufactured by them and just integrated in. So this customer gets a turnkey solution from us. Feel free to reach out to us at camsystems.ca or catch us on YouTube.